All right, here's for Christian. He's had hiccups now for a little bit. And I want to share this enormous, fantastic secret on how to get rid of your hiccups. So what you do is you take a glass of water. Here's a glass of water. And Christian, follow directions. Sit up straight. Okay, you need to hold your breath. Like, take a deep breath and hold it. Okay, now take about 20 sips of water without breathing or catching a breath. You probably won't make it to 20. Just take as many sips of water as you can. And what it does, it takes the muscle that is right there.
20.
And it should expand that muscle to where you don't have hiccups anymore. Let's hope it worked. You think it worked?
I don't know.
Did it work?
That wasn't a hiccup. That was what my...
You're just swallowing, right?
Yeah.
So it worked.
Cool.
All right. That's how you get rid of hiccups.